Hello, let's take another problem on the formulation of the linear program problem, and it is based on product mix problem. So in the problem, there is a company which manufactured two different products for the cattle, and details are given. First is the Fertilex and another is the Multiplex. In the Fertilex, it is given quantity of the wheat at least twice as much as wheat at barley. So in the cattle food, there are two food grains, wheat and barley. Quantity of wheat, it is twice as compared to the barley in the Fertilex. In the another product, and which is Multiplex, where the composition of barley, it is twice of the wheat, and detail is given. Wheat cost 1.5 rupees per kg, and it is available in the 1000 kg. Barley cost 1.25 per kg, and its quantity available 1200 kg. And selling price is also given. Fertilex, when it is sold up to 99 kg, its price is 1.80, and beyond it is a different price. So it is given on each addition over kg, it is 99 sales, it is 1.65 rupees. So beyond 99 kg, its price is 1.65, and up to 99 it is 1.80. Similarly for Multiplex, up to 99 kg it is 1.7 rupees, and over 99 kg it is 1.55. So there is a firm, Bharat firm will buy any and all the amount of both the mixer feed company, formulate the mathematical problems. So formulation के लिए भी let us this particular wording in the tabular form. So you can see here, these are the two different mixes. First is the Fertilex, second is the Multiplex, and these are the two components, wheat and barley. In the first food, Fertilex, quantity of wheat, it is twice as compared to the barley. So it is in 2:1 ratio. It's twice 2:1. Up to 99 kg, selling price of Fertilex, it is 1.80, and over 99 it is 1.65. Similarly for Multiplex, ratio is twice, again reverse, it is 1:2. Barley, it is twice, now the wheat is 1, and the selling price 1.70 up to 99, and above 99 it is 1.55. Cost of the wheat per kg, it is also given 1.50. Cost of the barley per kg 1.25. 1.25. These are the cost per kg, and the availability is also given. Barley, wheat, it is available in the quantity of 1000 kg. Barley, it is 1200 kg. And in this particular problem, we have to formulate the problem and write the different equations. So here in this particular problem, objective function, because it is related to the selling of the product, so the objective is to be maximize the profit. Objective function will be in terms of the profit, so that has to be maximized. But in this question, selling price, it is written in two different. Up to 99 its cost is different, above the 99 its cost is different. So for writing this profit, let us look. If I want to write profit, so for writing profit, here the writing the profit, this is the selling price, so the profit can be written as selling price minus cost price. Sorry, this is the selling price minus cost price, because is in this particular question, directly profit on units or profit on the product, it is not given. So we have to separately find out the what is the selling price of the product and what is the cost price of the product. But to find out this, first we have to decide what is the quantity of the Fertilex and what is the quantity of the multiplex. So let us assume, let x1 is the quantity of the Fertilex and x2 is the quantity of the multiplex. So this is the quantity, x1 and x2, these are the quantity. And in the question it is also given, so 99 it's different cost above 19, so this particular values x1 it should be always greater than 99, this also should be greater than 99. So let us write what is the selling price. So I will write selling price. So selling price up to 99 kg, its cost is 1.80. So I will write 9 up to 99 kg, cost is 1.80. So 19 kg ka price up to 99, this will be cost, plus total quantity for this is I am writing for Fertilex. This is for Fertilex. So the quantity of Fertilex is x1. So out of x1 up to 99 kg, so this will be the price. Beyond 99, how much kg? Now it will be x1, total quantity is x1 minus 99. And this will be sold at the price of 1.65. So this is 1.65. Up to 99 kg, its price is 1.80. Beyond 99, its price is 1.65. So up to 99 kg, its price is 1.80, and remaining quantity x1 minus 99, its price will be 1.65. So this is for Fertilex. Similarly, I can write selling price for multiplex. So for multiplex up to 99 kg, its price is 1.70, and plus beyond 99, now the quantity is x2. So the x2 minus 99, now it is sold at the rate of 1.55. So this is the selling price for Fertilex and this is the selling price for multiplex. So the total selling price will be total selling price will be summation of these two. So I will simply write 99 into 1.80 plus x1 minus 99 into 1.65 plus this 99 into 1.70 and plus x2 minus 99 into 1.55. This is the selling price. So that this is the equation 1. Now second, find out the cost price. So for finding cost price, it is already given cost of 1 kg of wheat, it is 1.50. Cost of 1.1 kg is 1.50 and barley it is 1.25. Now we have to find these are distributed in ratios. So in the Fertilex, quantity of the Fertilex is x1 kg. Now in this x1 kg, wheat and barley, they are divided in the ratio of 2:1. In suppose if I say 1 kg, so in 1 kg, 2/3, 2 by 3 kg will be wheat. This is wheat and this is barley. So 2 by 3 kg will be wheat and 1 by 3 kg will be barley. So ratio is 2:1. So quantity is total quantity of Fertilex is x1. So the proportion of the wheat will be 2 by 3 of x1 and barley will be 1 by 3 of x1. x1 kg is the total quantity x1, and the ratio they are distributed is 2 is to 1. So 2/3 portion will be wheat and 1/3 portion will be wheat. So out of x1, 2 by 3 into x1 kg will be wheat. This is wheat and this is your barley. So this is for Fertilex. Now for multiplex, now for multiplex, quantity is x2, x2 kg, and they are divided into 1 is to 2 ratio. That means 1/3 will be wheat and 2/3 will be barley. So x2, so 1 by 3 x2 and 2 by 3 of x2. So 1 by 3 of, so multiplex, it is x2 kg and the ratio is 1 is to 2. So 1/3 will be wheat and 2/3 will be barley. So the total wheat, quantity of wheat, so 2 by 3 of x1 in the Fertilex and 1 by 3 of x2 in the multiplex. So the total quantity of the wheat, it is 2 by 3, it is 2 by 3 of x1 plus 1 by 3 of x2. This is wheat, total wheat, and its cost is 1 point, its cost is 1.50. So it is multiplied by 1.50 and plus barley 1 by 1 upon 3 x1 from Fertilex and 2 by 3 x2 from multiplex, and its cost is 1.25. So it is multiplied by 1.25. So this is your cost price, your cost price. So this is equation number 2. Equation number 2. So now we have a selling price. This is equation number 1. It is the selling price. Equation number 2, cost price. So I can write what will be the profit. So profit that will be selling price minus cost price. So you substitute this value, subtract equation 1, that means the equation 1 minus equation 2. And when you do this, equation 1 minus equation 2, so that will comes out 0.23x1 plus 0.22x2 plus 29 by 7, 29 by 7, and this will be your z. This will be your objective function and it has to be maximized. So z max, how it comes? So selling price minus cost price. When you do this mathematical calculation, so you will get, this will be the value of z and this will be your profit. This will be your profit because it has to be maximized. So I will write z max, it is equal to this much, and this will be your, this will be your objective function. This will be your objective function. Now moving to the constraints. Moving to the constraints. So the in this particular problem, what is constraints? So constraints is the availability of the quantity. Wheat, it is available in 1000 kg. Barley, it is available into 1200 kg. And we know the total quantity of the wheat. So the total quantity of the wheat, it is already we have find. So this is the total quantity of the wheat. So constraints will be, constraints will be, I will write the quantity of the wheat, so it will be twice of the x1 plus 1 by 3 of x2, and this quantity can be equal to 1000 or it is equal to or less than 1000 kg. You can fully utilize or partially. So this is the constraint one. Similarly, constraint on quantity of the wireless, it will be 1 by 3 x1 plus 2 by 3 of x2, and it is less than equal to 1200 kg. So this will be constraint 2, constraint 1. And finally, non-negativity of constraints. Non-negativity, that means the value of x1 and x2, that will be always positive. So the value of x1 and x2 will be always positive. So if I summarize, so what will be, I will write, so I will write like this: maximize z, and this z is equal to 0.23 x1 plus 0.22 x2 plus 29 by 7, and this particular function is subjected to two constraints. Constraint 1 is 2 over 3 x1 plus 1 over 3 x2, it is less than equal to 1000, and constraint 2 1 by 3 x1 plus 2 by 3 x2, and it is less than 1200, where where x1 x2 are greater or equal to 0. So this complete, it is the formulation. So this particular steps are formulation. So formulation means basically convert the language of the problem, जो language है problem की, that language of the problem, so it must be converted into some mathematical equation. So that is the meaning of the formulation. So वहाँ पे कोई कोडिंग नहीं करनी है, कोडिंग ना, लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम, प्रोग्रामिंग का मतलब है राइट द language of the problem, language in terms of the mathematical equation, and then we will look how to solve this mathematical equations, a mathematical problem. So I hope this will be clear. So this particular problem, it is based on product mix problem of linear program. Thank you.